expert treatment. And Mr. Speaker, when some of us come to this house and say that SHA is not working, it's because of the personal experiences we have gone through. Mr. Speaker, we incurred a bill at Nairobi Hospital of 1.34 million. And the only portion that SHA paid was 218,000, Mr. Speaker. So how can we tell Kenyans that SHA is working? I mean, let's be serious. Let's be serious, Senator. Let's be serious. Most of us, Mr. Speaker, when we get sick, we go and flash our medical cards in hospital because we have all those benefits. But the poor of the poorest in this country, Mr. Speaker, don't get any assistance from this thing you call SHA, Mr. Speaker. So let's call a spade a spade. SHA is supposed to meet the medical needs of Kenyans, Mr. Speaker. When I go to a hospital with a SHA card, what I expect as a speaker is that my medical expenses will be met by the SHA card, Mr. Speaker. So if I go to hospital and if you calculate 1.34, that's about 10%. You cannot pay 10% of my bill and then you cheat us that SHA is not working.